Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Sunday FUD attack played out exactly as it's been happening for 8 weeks in a row. This time it was the tariff news that China's going to put 10 to 15% on gas and things coming from America. And that news dropped the price of Bitcoin. I added half a Bitcoin and 5 Ethereum at the bottom, which was beautiful. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades and the technical analysis. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Ask me any questions you want down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account 936, it had a huge low just before, but it got a bounce back. You can see here Bitcoin dropped on the tariff news. It dropped from 97 down to 94,600, and I added half a Bitcoin there. Look at that, right on the bottom. That's the 1 minute chart, everyone. On the 1 minute chart, I added at 94,651. Amazing. And then we got a huge bounce back, almost fully erasing the drop. Funding fee is still almost negative, which is amazing. My Bitcoin trade, $4,800 in the profits. I added half a Bitcoin to the trade. I've spent $310 to make $4,800. We got a bounce back, which is good. Ethereum trade still down. I also added Ethereum on the 1 minute candle right at the bottom as well. And we got a little bit of a bounce back V-shaped recovery, which is amazing. 936, I also added World on the drop. I think it would have hit the bottom also. On the 1 minute chart, yep, I added World exactly on that drop. I also added MCRT was up while the rest of the market dropping. I also added Uni, I think. Yep, exactly buying Uni on that drop at the bottom on the 1 minute chart. Same with Doge. I think I added Doge. Yep, exactly on the 1 minute chart on the bottom, which is beautiful. You can see those buys, which is very nice. I exactly bought those perfect drops. Because Sunday FUD attack, Trump winning again. He's number one. Trump number one in the markets. Trump winning. Tesla down 3%, and I expect a big drop in Tesla. It's coming down to my buy orders exactly as I predicted. It chose the downside, and this tariff news from China, I think, will drop it, and it'll come to my buy targets. And we're very close to the buy targets now. 328 and 300 will be big buy targets, and major one at 266, which is beautiful. I sold at 430, if you remember, before this drop, which is amazing. Let's go into Bitcoin, 96,279. Bitcoin double top on the weekly. The weekly candle's just finished. No, we still have 15 minutes till the weekly candle finishes. Right now, it's not such a... It's a I would say kind of a reversal pattern, doji kind of pattern. We still have 15 minutes remaining, but it does look like it will be a doji. Stochastic is still turning down. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. You get it in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. It fired a blue buy at 20,000 in 2023 February. 2 years ago, it fired a blue buy. Still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago. Did not yet fire a buy. Volume is still strong, and we have 14 minutes before it resets. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, it came down to activate the trade from yesterday perfectly. Look at that. It exactly touched the trade I had set yesterday. I had the trade at 94,657, and it came down and touched 94,651. So it activated it by $6 and then bounced back $2,000 or $1,700. Look at that. Exactly, like if we go into the 15 minutes, look at my trend line. And this was drawn yesterday morning, 24 hours ago, if you remember. I drew this and it came down, touched it perfectly, which is amazing. On the 4 hourly, we have a descending wedge, which is actually a bullish pattern. Descending wedge builds pressure and breaks to the upside, the base of the triangle. So we could get a follow through, and stochastic turning up on the 4 hourly, turning up on the daily. Bitcoin could go for a little bit of a run here. The bad news is not pushing it down much anymore. You can see many times it's been pushed down, but it's trying to push back up. On the 4 hourly, this descending wedge pattern is in play, and it activated the trade from yesterday. And remember, these blue lines are the channel that we're in. Longing Bitcoin from 91, shorting it from 107 would have been good for the last 4 years of sideways movement. So that would be the play that we would do. Longing from 91, shorting from 107, and we got a big bounce exactly off that trend line, which is beautiful. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 2624. Ethereum breaking down and then bouncing. V-shaped recovery on that drop. Sunday night news. FUD just to drop out people and then it bounces back. Interesting, right? And on Ethereum, we have this channel forming. Also a slightly descending wedge, which is also a little bit of a bullish pattern. This is the trade I would take from Ethereum. We still have, I would still keep, the channel is still the same. We have the trades on the channel, the bigger channel, which is the weekly pattern, which goes back 5 years. 5 years this bigger pattern plays out, and it's a symmetrical triangle, which is a bullish pattern, builds pressure and breaks to the upside. So we've been building this pattern for 5 years. Stochastic oversold, big volume on the daily. I would keep trades at 2,300. Easy could have a pullback there. And the channel that we're trading is 2,000 going to 4,000 and shorting from 4,000 down to 2,000. It's almost been a 5-year channel that you can trade. And I would also put a riskier, this is a bit safer trade, 2,300. I would also put a riskier trade at where we just came down, 2,500 with a tight stop, and then taking it to the top of that blue channel, 4,000. Risk toward 25 times, risking 63 to make 1,600. No leverage per Ethereum, 10x leverage would be 16,000. Those are the two trades I take on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And again, I added to the minute on Bitcoin and Ethereum on that drop, which is beautiful. Congratulations, anyone. I posted it on X. If you follow my X account, you would have seen to the minute buys on Ethereum. I posted it here. Travel warning for US citizens. You have to be careful what you say in Australia, because shocking images from Ukraine. Ukraine losses are being buried in mass. Millions of boys dying for dirt farms. Canada should be the world's richest country. Added 0.5 Bitcoin to the trade on Sunday night FUD 1 hour ago, 94,651, and then we got a bounce back. It was exactly the right entry. Trump winning, big drop in the markets, but I added on that drop. Again, Bitcoin FUD on a Sunday night. Cue the FUD 8 weeks in a row. Why are all these accounts posting this news on a Sunday night? Who released this news on a Sunday night? China to impose up to 15% tariffs on US energy and vehicles starting Monday. And we use that. Tesla will get hit hard on this news, so I have buy orders going down, which is beautiful. Join us in the Telegram. There's 281 of you online discussing, talking together. You can join them in the conversation at nighttime. There's 900 active, and it's a highly moderated with many mods in here. It's an international conversation, so turn on the premium on Telegram so you can talk to everyone. All the links are down below. If you want to, you can win an Xbox by depositing $10 of MCRT into Bybit. Going the chance to win an Xbox. You have to show your post on that, respond there. Bitunix is now giving away a Tesla Model 3, Vision Pro, and Rolex till the end of till the 3rd of March. It's a trading competition. You can win a Tesla Model 3, Vision Pro, or Rolex. The links to sign up are down below. Bybit gives you a $60,000 bonus, second biggest exchange in the world. That's where I was just showing you where I trade. Weex gives you a $200 bonus just for signing up and $20,000 in bonuses for trading. Bitunix gives you $5,500, and it's Bitunix and Weex are worldwide KYC free exchanges. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. Let's answer some of your questions. Heart you too. Any tutorial about trade that you use for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Take the Crypto Master Course and Stock Guru Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. Guru, if you had to choose only one AI stock, which would you choose for the long term? XAI, but it's not yet live. I seed invested XAI and OpenAI. But if you're in the public market, I would say then Microsoft probably, or Google. Probably Google. Because they own the two biggest websites in the world. Please do sue in XRP. I'll do it in the next video. I keep adding on my logs. Nice, me too. I'm going long. I just watched your video, $100 for 400,000. I'm in the United States. My annual income does not qualify me to use leverage. Any suggestions? Use KYC free. There's many exchanges around the world people can trade. Guru James, how do you get rich if you just had 10,000 euro right now? What would you do, bro? I'm very curious. By the way, good morning, and you're a legend. Thank you very much, Bassett. What would I do with the 10K? I would learn, I would take the crypto master course, the stock guru master course. I would study, I would learn technical analysis, and then I would start investing a little bit into Tesla as it comes down, Bitcoin as it comes down. I would learn trading. I would keep learning, I would keep making more income, and I would keep trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and I would not use all the 10K right now. I would DCA down like 1K a month because we're at the highs, and I'd try to buy on the extreme dips as you see in my videos, catch the bounce and make profit. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. The most important thing is to learn trading, to study. Take the crypto master course, the stock guru master course, join us in the Telegram, read every book you can on technical analysis. And then you can turn small amounts, even $10 into millions of dollars. You saw this account that I'm showing go from 150K to now it's probably around 1.5 million. I've withdrawn a lot for payments and seed invested, OpenAI and stuff like that. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations on the dip buyers who saw my video, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.